Never made it as a wise man. I couldn't cut it as a poor man stealing. Tired of living like a blind man. I'm sick aside without a sense of feeling. And this is how you remind me.
I just received my second Huawei Y9 Prime because my contract got renewed from this mobile company, and they offered me this Huawei Y9 Prime. So I will be unboxing. Otherwise, I'm gonna use this. So I will be giving this to my mother. I'm just gonna wait for 10 months more for me to go vacation. So they offered me Huawei Y9 Prime 2019, and before I got the green color, and this is the blue one. So thank you very much for this mobile company they offered me, because I was planning to purchase a cell phone for my mother, because she's always complaining that her cell phone is defective. So they have these barcodes, and we have this pin to open the lock over here. This is the area where you can put the SIM cards and SD card or additional memory card. It's actually 128 GB, and we have this free cover. It's transparent. They have this charger and headset. So no need for me to study, because I have the idea about this model. So I'm just gonna transfer the files over here, and I'm gonna give the Y9 Prime green color to my mom, because she likes green color.